Good morning, guys. Today I removed the starter for this Chevy 2005. It was not pretty hard like I see on YouTube. Before coming to remove the starter, I noticed the starter doesn't turn, so I decided to remove. But before removing, I watched some video on YouTube to help me to remove it easier. But I saw a lot when you need to remove the intake manifold to be accessed easy to the starter. And as you can see, the ball of this intake is right down. It's pretty hard to access it. So what I decide to do, I remove this cover like that. This plastic will protect the engine for dust. And after that, I remove one bolt just here and another somewhere on the top, just beyond a screw, a nut. I don't know if you can see that. The starter is just right here. After that, I remove the cable, but the thing I found a bit difficulty is just get out the starter from the top. It was pretty hard to get out the starter from this way because everything is here is tight. But just to give you advice, you don't need necessary to remove the intake manifold. There are just two bolts, one off top just beyond there, you can feel when you put your hand, and another at the bottom. So I hope this video will help a lot of you. Have a good day.